Hey friends, and welcome back. So I'm super excited to be sharing my first holiday video of the season with you all. And today I have partnered with JCPenney to share with you how we decorated our master bedroom for the holidays. So I hope everyone's been having a great start to the holiday season. I have been busy crafting and decorating over here, and I'm really excited to share a bunch more videos with you guys over the next month and a half. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button for more Christmas content. So the first item in my JCPenney haul is this really cute throw from North Pole Trading Company. It is so warm and cozy, oversized, and get this, I used a coupon and spent under $10 for this throw. So an amazing value. I can't even get over how soft it is. It is machine washable. It's so giftable too, guys. It comes wrapped with the red bow and even a to from tag. So you can't beat this. This is a great gift idea. So let me open it up and share with you guys what it looks like. Now this is in the Douglas plaid pattern, but they do have, I believe, 5 other ones. There's like a cardinal one, they have the red truck, a ton of really cute designs, but I just liked this more neutral red, black, and white plaid because it kind of went with my master bedroom theme for this season. I can't even fit into the frame how big this throw is. It is 50 by 70 inches. So it's literally going to be able to cover a king size bed, which is what we have. So that is another reason that I ordered it. Super soft and cozy, like buttery soft, you guys. Oh my gosh, but it's not too heavy. So a really great layering piece for your holiday bed. That's definitely one of my tips, is to go with the more neutral bedding theme and then add in your pops of color. Another addition to our holiday bedding this year, these Turkish cotton flannel sheets. And these are so gorgeous in person, you guys. They have these sheet sets in a ton of different patterns on their website. So I'll go ahead and include links to everything that I'm sharing with you guys in the description box down below. But this comes with a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. So it is a full set. I picked the sheet set in Edmund Black Red, which is a really gorgeous plaid, as you guys can see, but it's not over the top. I really loved that it was a more neutral plaid. So here's a pillowcase just to show you guys the pattern. It is really soft and warm and cozy without being like over the top hot. I tend to be kind of like a hot sleeper at night, so I can't have anything too fuzzy furry right up against my body. So these sheets are perfect because they're breathable, but they're also gonna be cozy for the winters. Then I picked up a new comforter set, and you guys, this is so pretty. JCPenney is killing it. This is from their Linden Street collection. It is their Monroe 3-piece comforter set, and it includes the comforter and 2 pillow shams. I zoomed in just to show you guys the pattern. It almost has like a cutout, almost tribal Aztec-y looking pattern. I also thought that it would look really pretty for like a winter whites kind of theme. It almost has like a Scandinavian look to it. So just beautiful detail. And I think with my coupon, I paid just over $100 for the entire king size comforter set, which is amazing because this is not just a duvet cover. This is a full, fluffy, really lovely comforter. Oh my gosh, it's so puffy and so soft. I cannot wait to get this on the bed. And again, it's neutral but has a ton of texture. Hopefully you guys can see that. So this is gonna be gorgeous for winter. I love neutral bedding because every season you can kind of change up your decor accents. I can add pops of red for Christmas, then in the spring, pops of mauve. So just really a gorgeous bedding set and an amazing value. So to complete our bedding look, another fun little pop of color is this Let It Snow pillow from Safa V. Really cute little kind of fuzzy chenille lettering and a snowflake on there. And then it has the same color kind of piping trim and just a bright pop of red. So this is a really fun holiday throw pillow. So I'm really excited to share with you guys how all of this is going to come together here at the end of the video. So be sure to stay tuned. Always love to add a little bit of greenery in our master bedroom for the holidays. And I thought that this wreath was absolutely gorgeous. This is from the North Pole Trading Company, and it is their Enchanted Woods Greenery and Pine Cone Wreath. Oh my goodness, you guys, I love, love, love this garland. Again, from North Pole Trading Company. This is the matching Enchanted Woods Greenery Garland. You can see it has the same style as the wreath. The really cool thing about this garland is that it is pre-lit. It comes with your little battery box here, and you can just turn it on and look how pretty. And these are LED, but tell me they do not look like incandescent. They're gorgeous, warm white lights. They go throughout the entire garland. And again, this is really full and really beautiful. Then I got this adorable little tabletop Christmas tree. This is also from the North Pole Trading Company. They have so many amazing holiday products out. You can see it is a faux evergreen tree, but I absolutely loved the little willow basket collar on the bottom. I thought that this would be another fun little pop of greenery in our master bedroom. Love the size. They do have two different sizes. I think one is 25 and one is 36 inches. So there's a little bit of a shorter one and then the taller one, but these are beautiful, you guys. So impressed with JCPenney. They literally have everything you need to decorate your home for the holidays. So now that I've shared with you guys everything that I picked up at JCPenney, I'm gonna be using all of these items to give our bedroom a fresh holiday update. So let's get decorating. So my holiday master bedroom refresh is complete. I'm loving all of these festive items from JCPenney, from the lighted garland on the headboard to the cozy warm plaids on the bed, and especially the little pine tree with the willow collar. So moving in for a closer look, you guys, how absolutely gorgeous is this Monroe comforter set from Linden Street? It has a gorgeous kind of diamond and arrow pattern design. Tons of texture. Then this really cozy throw. You guys can probably see, oh my goodness, the plush velvety fabric. I'm gonna be curled up in this for sure, like all winter. And it's huge, like I said, I can run it across our entire king size bed. So I might have to buy a couple more of these. I'm just obsessed with them. Then I just set up a little kind of like hot cocoa bed tray. These are items I already had. Then we have our Let It Snow pillow, a little fur pillow, our shams that came with the Monroe comforter set. They are gorgeous, you guys. I cannot get over. I feel like this is so Hague, like just cozy Scandinavian vibes. These beautiful sheets from Turkish cotton. They are so pretty. I love the flannel print. I love that it's more of a neutral kind of black and white with just a pop of red. Then this lighted garland is everything. I just connected it with some push pins in the back of the headboard. And again, it has that really easy on and off switch right in the back. I hung up my wreath just with a little nail. I switch it out for the seasons. And then of course the adorable little tree on the bedside table. This collar, you guys. I want a collar like that for every single one of my pine trees. I think it is adorable. I'm so incredibly happy with how our master bedroom refresh turned out. It's so much more festive and cozy in here. I know I'm going to enjoy cuddling up on cold winter nights in our bedroom. Be sure to check out all of my fabulous and festive finds from JCPenney in the description box down below, and check out their website and local stores for a ton of decor and entertaining essentials for the holidays. And thank you all so much for watching. Bye.